Welcome to PROCAD's SpoolCAD supporting module tutorials. Watch the entire video or use the on-screen table of contents to skip to a specific topic. The Bill of Materials Settings Manager tutorial covers the following topics: creating templates, layouts, and options. Let's begin. Double-click the Bill of Materials Settings Manager icon to open the application. Our first topic is creating templates. In the Bill of Materials Settings Manager dialog, we'll see the English and metric standards and the Twin Lake project, which was created for the demos and tutorials. The English standard is in feet and inches. The metric standard is in millimeters. PROCAD supports both English and metric units for all of its products. To view the templates, click the standard and the templates appear. We can have more than one template per standard. To create a new template, simply select the Bill of Materials Settings menu, click New, Copy. Let's create a new template under the SpoolCAD, and we'll make a copy. We'll give it a name, and our template is created. Templates can be moved from one standard to another simply by clicking and dragging. If we right-click, we can rename the template. If we made a mistake, we can delete the template, we can make another copy, or we can open it to do modifications to the template. Our next topic is layouts. Once we have created our template and it is located under the correct standard, we can make modifications to the layouts. Double-click the template to open it. Under the template, we will see the Bill of Material title. We will see the component groups that will show up in the Bill of Material, as well as the unused component types that could be added to the Bill of Material. The sequence that is shown here from pipe, flanges, weld fittings will be the sequence it is shown when we insert it into the drawing. Under the group of pipe are the pipe components. When we look at below, we see more detail about what will show up under the pipes. So we'll see the title. We'll also see the item number, the length, the size, the schedule, the description, the material, and the heat number. These are all columns that will show up under the pipe component group. To make changes to the sizes, it's just a matter of using our mouse, click and slide to get the appropriate size for each of the column widths. Be sure to apply column changes to save. To remove or to change columns, right-click and we can rename. We can set the text justification to left or center. We can insert preset grouping types, things like part number, equipment number, manufacturer. There's also a custom field that can be inserted. We can also delete columns if they are not required. Let's look at inserting a group. Say our part number, and our part number column now appears, and it will only show up under the pipe grouping. We can locate this part number to wherever. We can slide to make it bigger or smaller, apply column changes to save. Under the sorting tab, we'll see the field sort order, and this is the order in which each of the groupings will be listed in our bill of material. They can be customized. To move components up in the sort order, simply select the component to move, put it into the sequence, and now it is ahead of the part number. Under the numbering tab, we can set the start number for our bill of material. Default is 1. We can set it to any number, say 10, and now our groupings will start at 10 and work their way up, increasing by 1. The rounding feature, if we set this to 5, it will round each grouping to start with a number divisible by 5. The default is 1. Our minimum offset, we can set that to 2, and it will skip a number between the groupings, the default being 1. Our last topic in the tutorial is options. Select the Options tab. We can set the font, the size for our bill of material title, the group header, the field, the bill of material information, simply by selecting the title font. Set the font, the style, and the size. Sample is shown. Select OK. We can do that for each of the category areas. Component sizes cannot be adjusted, as these are hard set to the standard, and they are read-only. Under our linear component lengths, for our pipe, for instance, we can set our units to feet and inches, or just feet, and we can also set the cut length or the total length. When total length is set, we can round up to the nearest inch or portion of an inch. When it's set to cut length, it will give the actual feet and inch value in the bill of material. If we're going to be exporting to a spreadsheet, we can toggle on Use Plain Number Format, which will give us just the decimal format for the values. Be sure to save. We can then look at our CAD options. Select the CAD Options tab. This is the physical size of the bill of material in our drawing. The size can be adjusted for a bill of material width, which is 5.5 inches. The height is 9 inches. If we have columns, more than one column, we can set the width to say 1 inch. Save the changes. And our last option is the preview, where we can see a view of what our bill of material will look like. Notice the part number column that was added to the pipe category. Let's take a look at this in action. We'll open up our drawing. We have our spool created. We've dimensioned the spool. Now we're ready to create the bill of material. Select the Bill of Material tab. Select the Generate Bill of Material tool. Click Next. Set the line number filters, component size filters. Click Next. We now see our new template, the TLP-SC-01. We'll insert it into the drawing. Insertion point is top right. And we won't add the balloons for this sample. And there's our bill of material. Zoom up on it. And there's our bill of material shown in the AutoCAD drawing. There's our part number category that was added. This concludes the topics covered in this tutorial. Review the topics in this module or select another module.